Hello everyone, and welcome to today's engaging discussion on Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code. Our goal today is to create a viral campaign that raises awareness and sparks meaningful conversations about this significant legal provision. Section 498A was introduced to protect married women from cruelty by their husbands or his relatives. While it serves as a crucial legal protection, it's important to discuss the implications and the controversies surrounding its misuse. For our viral video, we want to focus on real-life stories. We'll spotlight both sides, those who genuinely benefit from the law and those who have raised concerns about false allegations. Remember, our aim is not just to inform, but to encourage balanced perceptions and constructive dialogue. So join us, share your thoughts, experiences, and let's unravel the truths behind 498A together. Don't forget to like, share,